Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone is updated and Apple Card appears in Wallet. This ensures secure tokenized payments. Next, enable Face ID or Touch ID so you can authorize quickly. Once done, verify your billing address and CVV for online checks. Then, set a backup payment in Wallet for declines. These first actions prevent common issues, make authentication fast, and prepare you to tap or check out inside apps with confidence. Now you make the payment. For contactless purchases, double-click the side button, authenticate, and hold your phone near the reader. The tokenized card number protects your data. For in-app or web purchases, choose Apple Pay, pick Apple Card, then confirm with Face ID. This avoids typing full card data. Before authorizing, review the transaction preview, tip, shipping, and total, because once processed, refunds follow merchant policies. These steps balance speed with accuracy. Finish by checking Wallet for the payment confirmation and the new entry in card activity so you can track rewards and balance. If your payment is declined, retry after confirming available credit, switch to the backup payment, or toggle Wallet off and on. This clears temporary token issues. If the merchant charged the wrong amount or a pending hold remains, contact Apple Card support promptly. One troubleshooting tip: log out of iCloud and back in only if support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.